Hello friend, let's find Lightning McQueen. Let's go. Oh, this is Serge. Yeah.
Kiss the pavement goodbye, gentlemen. When I'm finished with you, you'll have mud in places you didn't know you had. Go, 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 go. Go.
Cool, DJ. Yeah. Who is that? Tomica! Wow!
I am speed!
Oh, who is that? Who is that? Ramon! Wow!
Anything you want, you know, like the flame job. Maybe
thanks,
gold
man.
flames. You like old school pinstriping? Von Dutch style, huh?
Sally! Haha! Wow! Francesco! Haha!
What is happening? This is a bad dream. What is happening?
This is Lightning McQueen!
These guys are real class acts.
Congratulations, Cupcake.
Oh, they are gonna pay. This is Sherry! Yeah!
Not in my town, you don't.
Cow tractor! Cool! Who is that?
Right now, I got a pretty good shot at it.
Well, what do we know about these crackpots?
Whoa! This is Chihik's track!
You want to know the forecast? I'll give you the forecast. 100% chance of thunder. Gajiga, gajiga. Say it with me.
Oh, who is that? Cruz Ramirez! Yeah!
This black pavement, these yellow lines are pulling us into the night.
This is Mack! Wow!
You are a sight for sore headlights. I'm so sorry I lost you, boss. I'll make it up to you.
Mac, I can't believe you're here.
Who is that? Tomica! Wow!
Dadgum.
Gatling gun. Request acknowledged.
Oh, this is Red!
Oh, Red, you missed a spot. Sure, right there. In the hood,
No,
right
no.
there.
This is Lightning McQueen! Yeah!
McQueen's the winner, Francesco second, and they have no idea what happened behind them.
This is impossible.
That's what I'm talking about. Ka-chow!
Bulldozer! Hello, friend. Let's find Lightning McQueen. Let's go. Who is that? Tomica.
175 miles per hour.
Okay, you did it. You can back off now, Vader.
I am speed.
Wow. Oh, who is that? Cruz Ramirez. Yeah. This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah.
Ready, buddy?
Ready?
Well, all right then. Get it up.
Who is that? Ramon. Wow.
Yeah, sure thing, man. No problemo. Just let me go get my...
This is Jackson Storm. Wow.
Win number 3 for the rookie sensei.
This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah.
Lightning McQueen is making steady progress in the early parts of this race.
Well, it won't be enough to catch Storm.
Oh, this is Luigi. Yeah.
What did Luigi tell you, eh?
Wow, you were right.